Hey, happy Valentine's Day from me, Dr. Trish Leigh, Cognitive Neuroscientist and Sex Addiction Recovery Coach. I am here to share a hopefully warm Valentine's Day message with you. We're moving into Valentine's Day next week, and yes, it's a Hallmark holiday, but I found out from one of my clients on the other side of the world, it's a global Hallmark holiday. So it gives us the opportunity to become vulnerable, to become invulnerable, to share intimacy with the people in our life, to create a plan to find intimacy with people we want in our life. And that's the message for today. So if you don't have Valentine's Day plans yet, make some. And I have a friend where, I think I shared this last year, my friend calls it amateur night when you go out for dinner on Valentine's Day. He's a guy who goes out for dinner every night. So every night besides Valentine's Day, because everybody and their brother's out for dinner. So you don't have to go out for dinner, but I want to encourage you to find a way to share time with your partner, if you have one, with potential partners, if you have them in your life, or your friends, your family, and your people. And honestly, I have all those things planned right now. The Hubs and I don't have the date night thing planned. He wanted to go out for dinner. I'm like, dude, it's amateur night. We're not going out for dinner. Sell crazy somewhere else. Let's talk about what we are going to do. So in the United States, it's the Super Bowl on Sunday. So I've made a plan with my peeps, who happen to be 5 teenagers, and the Hubs. I've made a plan that and I normally do this. I create Super Bowl fun, which sometimes it's not fun. One year I spent the entire time trying to make homemade calamari. If you can do it, my hat's off to you, because first of all, our house reeked like fish and I did not get one good batch of calamari, and it cost more than I want to admit in a video. But for this year, I bought a soda stream. We're gonna make ourselves our own soda, and we're gonna make ourselves our own bubbly. The kids are pumped. They've already tried it. And we're getting an air fryer. I don't have an air fryer. We're gonna get an air fryer, and I'm gonna make some delicious air fried chicken tendies for my kids, because my kids have a saying. I'm sure they stole it from a meme. Something about chicken tendies, make them fresh or from Wendy's, something like that. I don't remember what it is. But the point is, we've already got a plan. We got Super Bowl plan. We've got some cool things we're gonna do. We always do squares in our family so that we can just get some good juju, some positive vibes going. I encourage you to figure out something for yourself that feels good. Then on my group text with my besties, it came through that my besties are all gonna go to one of our friends for the football game. But I've learned from years past, I like being with my family. It's a lot of fun. So I told the besties, maybe I can stop by, but if not, I'm gonna be hanging with my troops. So I have 2 sets of possible plans to connect with my friends, definitely hanging with my fam squad. Figure that out for yourself. Create a little fun. Plan something. It's really good for your brain. When you leave porn behind and you plan things in your real life, you fire up your frontal lobe. You fire up the reward center in your brain. It's the way that you can get your brain back online from porn use. This is it. Plan something and plan it with your people. You're going to get dopamine, you're going to get serotonin, you're going to get oxytocin. So if you don't have people, find a way to go into the world to do something. You can go to your favorite place and they'll have the game on if you care about it. Okay, so I digressed on Super Bowl because it is the day before Valentine's Day, so we're going to celebrate that connection on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is Monday. For years and years and years, actually since my kids were babies, a thing that I did was I get rose petals, and I actually have a bag of fake rose petals that I've been doing for the last 15 years. And I trail them down our steps into our kitchen, and I always have the kitchen decorated, and usually I have like heart-shaped pancakes or something for them. It's so simple and it creates joy. You get more serotonin, the healthy neurotransmitter, from creating joy in your life than you do from getting pleasure hits from dopamine. So when you create something like this on Valentine's Day, it becomes serotonin that gets flowing in your system, and it's a beautiful thing for you. So plan something for your partner, plan something for your kids, plan something for your friends. Do something cool that's in that joy. It doesn't have to be a big hit of dopamine. You're going to rewire your brain so that it finds the joy in life. And so that's what we're going to do on Valentine's Day after we do the soda stream on Sunday. It's going to be a cool thing. It's so low key And we did try it yesterday. I let each kid make one, and it was so cute because my daughter Fiona goes, "This is weirdly enjoyable." Serotonin. So go create that for yourself. Now, if you're saying, Dr. Trish, you have 5 kids, hubs, besties, you can create it. You know, once upon a time, it was just me. And I come from a big family, but once upon a time, I created this fun for myself, and I still do. I'm the girl on my birthday. I buy myself what I want. I make myself the cake that I want, or I go buy it, and I invite people into my fun. All the stuff that I have planned right now, that's my fun for me, and I'm psyched to be able to share it with my peeps. But it's my fun for me. A funny thing, last year when I got COVID on St. Patrick's Day, my daughter said, she goes, you know, I woke up from a blur after a couple days of COVID, and I said, oh, I missed St. Patrick's Day. And she goes, don't worry, nothing happened this year. That's because St. Patrick's Day is really fun in my home because of me. That's my fun, and I share it with my people. Go create your fun, share it with your people. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. It really can be filled with joy and wonder if you wanted to. Okay, go for it. If you're looking for help on your porn brain rewire journey, please reach out to me. drtrishleigh.com. I'm here for you. And until next time, control your brain or it'll control you.